Hey everybody, my name is Nick, and in this YouTube video I would like to review Deepseek AI application. Deepseek AI is a pretty new AI that's blowing up charts, and today we will talk about it. So let's first of all install it. You can do it in Play Store or App Store. Just open it up and type here Deepseek. This is how it looks like, Deepseek AI Assistant. So you can easily install it on your device. Let's do it. And by the way, you can install this application on your PC as me, just by using the Android emulator. So this is an application like ChatGPT. You probably used it. This is how it looks like. And by the way, we finally can open it up. And now we can register our account. So you can sign in with Google. Okay, here it is. Now I have my own account in this AI, and this is how the interface of this application looks like. So it's pretty simple. Here on the homepage we can message Deepseek. Just type here your questions, requests, task for Deepseek. By the way, at the top right you can create a new chat for Deepseek, and by clicking on the two lines at the top left you can see your chats. So now no chat yet, but you can create a new one. For example, type here something. Hello, how can I assist you today? And as you can see, if we'll open this menu again, you'll see here this chat. Okay, and now let's test this AI. For example, let's type it. I need you to write a calculator program in Python. So let's send it to him. Just click on it, and here is the answer. Sure, below is a simple calculator program in Python that can perform basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, and so on. So this is how the code looks like, and very soon we will be able to copy it and try to use it. And by the way, at the very bottom you can activate Deepseek R1 and search. So if you would like, just activate it. And now let's try to compile this code with the online Python compiler. So let's open it up, just paste it and click on run. And here is the result. Select operation, for example, subtract first number, second number. So it works, and I think it's really good AI. Just I advise you to try to use it because it's very helpful in nowadays. So it was a short tutorial or review, and I hope it was really helpful for you. Please subscribe to me and like this video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.